Outlook brings to you excerpts from its latest issue titled Cinema Politico. The issue explores politics and cinema and the ever blurring lines between the two. Ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections, a slew of propaganda movies have hit the big screen and OTT platforms amid much criticism and uproar, while many more films are slated to release in the coming weeks, stirring even a bigger debate. The latest issue of Outlook looks at the genre of nationalist and propaganda films in the Indian context and also continues with the exploration of the ideology question in the context of upcoming general elections. Both themes are contextual and linked in many ways. Just Not Understood by Iqbal Abhimanyu from Outlook, in which he looks at concerted attempts over the years to portray JNU in a certain way. The film JNU, Jahangir National University, is just another product of the same propaganda story. JNU jhukega nahi. Dhananjay, the newly elected president of the Jawaharlal Nehru University Student Union, proclaims with a mischievous smile when asked about the upcoming film JNU, Jahangir National University. Its teaser was released last month with a tagline, "Behind closed walls of education brews a conspiracy to break the nation." The student leader also mimics the trademark palm under the chin move by actor Allu Arjun as he utters the defiant dialogue in the film Pushpa, The Fire. Once known and ridiculed for speaking in academic jargon and remaining stuck in Soviet-era ideological conundrums, the Kremlin on the Jumla has taken effortlessly to Bollywood speak at a time when a polarizing depiction of it in the popular culture has once again brought it into the spotlight ahead of general elections, being seen as a momentous in the nation's modern history. Actor, singer, lyricist Piyush Mishra is the most well-known face of the campus-based drama, along with Ravi Kishan and Vijay Raj. पूंजीवाद से मुझको डराते हो क्यों? मुझको लेनिन के सपने दिखाते हो क्यों? Why do you scare me about capitalism? Why do you show me the dreams of Lenin? Mishra proclaims from a stage modelled on JNU's Chat Sammelan, an annual holy event in which everyone can come and entertain the audience with funny speeches and satire. Though the teaser and a song performed by Mishra, a parody of Habib Zalib's legendary anti-establishment verse, "Main nahi manta," did manage to trigger the expected flurry of outrage and support on social media, the lanes of the South Delhi-based campus, these days full of blooming bougainvillea and students rushing for midterm examinations, are by now used to the clamour that has rung out against the university over the past 8 years. For this and more, read the latest issue of Outlook.